Hello, my name is Ashley Cobb. I'm going to demonstrate my experiment for my lesson plan. This is called Traveling Water. So what you're going to start out with is clear cups. We're going to do 6 clear cups, and we're going to have your students line them up. What you're going to do is you're going to fill every other cup with water almost to the top. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm using spring water. It doesn't really matter what type of water. Last time I tried it, I just used sink water. Alright, there we go. So like I said, every other cup is going to be filled almost to the top with water. I went and bought assorted food coloring dye. We got it at Winn-Dixie. You could probably get it at Walmart. Today it came with red, yellow, green, and blue. We're just going to use blue, red, and yellow for this experiment. So the first glass I'm going to put a few drops of blue. We're going to put about 6 drops. 6. And we're going to do the same for the yellow. And for the red. Alright, and you can kind of start it a little bit like that. Okay, the next step is we're going to get our paper towels. I'm using Bounty, and you take 1 sheet like so, and you're going to fold it long ways twice. And just do that. We're going to have 5 pieces of paper towel folded. So the independent variable for this experiment is going to be the colored glasses of water that you start out with, because they will remain the same throughout the entire experiment. Last one. And our dependent is going to be the water that travels into the empty glasses, because those colors will end up changing. So we have our paper towels folded. What you're going to do next is you're going to put your cups in a circle. Make sure that you keep the empty glasses every other one. And you're just going to kind of dip the end of it into the colored and the other side into the empty glass. And you're going to do that all the way around. And you can kind of tell immediately that the blue is starting to travel up the paper towel. They're kind of tricky. You just kind of have to play with them to get them to stay down. For younger students like kindergarten, you could just do 2 colors and 1 cup in the middle. That might be a little bit easier for them at first. Oh. Oops, I'm missing one more paper towel. There we go. So as you can see, there are paper towels in each colored glass, and then they go directly into the empty glass. So it took about 20 to 30 minutes for it to work when I attempted it the first try. I'm just going to scoop these so you can kind of see while we wait for those to kind of get going. But you can already see the colors are traveling up the paper towels. these are ones that I did earlier, and our blue and red mixed to make purple, and our yellow and red mixed to make orange, and our blue and yellow mixed and they made green. I don't know if you can see those very well. Let me turn it this way a little bit. So lots of pretty colors there. For this experiment, I chose kindergarten as my grade level, so I kind of did an easy data sheet where they could color in the colors. So let's say we mix blue and our yellow. So I would have them color in blue and yellow, and that made our green color. So this could also be a good lesson about primary colors. So pretty easy there for our kindergartners to keep their data. And that's about it. That wraps it up. Thank you.